Hey beautiful, Nancy here, also known as the Lipstick Boss. How do you wear frosted lipstick? The tutorial today is going to show you how to do a frosted winter makeup look using the frosted lipstick by Lipstick Boss Beauty called in the shade Pink Princess. So we're going to start with the eyes. I want you to get a taupe color, a matte taupe, and taupe is usually like a stone color, a grayish brown, and what you're going to do is you're going to go in the crease. You're going to start at your last eyelash over here and go right into the into where your orbital bone is, kind of back and forth with this taupe color. And then this is a matte, so there's no reflection there, but then you're going to grab a shimmery eyeshadow, something that is champagne colored. Put a little bit on your fingertip, and I'm just going to swipe it on my eyelid. Just kind of pack that color right on the moving part of the lid. See that? And then you could do a little bit of liner. I want you to do a black liner. I like to kind of just do little dots all the way across, and then I use a angled brush to kind of soften that liner. Alrighty, and then you're ready for your frosted lipstick. This is a nude lipstick that is cool based. There you go. Perfect frosted winter makeup look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and all of the details of the products that I used are in the description below. Mwah. Until next time, be bold.